ಜೂಮ ಕಾಣ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ.
ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೋ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್
ರತಿ ಮನ್ಮತ. ರತಿ ಮನ್ಮತ. ರತಿ ಮನ್ಮತ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮಿನಿಯೇಚರ್ ವರ್ಡ್.
And these are a series of temples.
Yes, madam. Miniature temples. ಕೋಷ್ಟಕ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೋಷ್ಟಕ. Dancing.
Yes, figures.
Follow, like, it's weaving through.
So deeply calm
ಸುರ್ಷಣ ಇನ್ ಬಾ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ.
and so well.
ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ
Ganesh.
ಗಣೇಶ್.
ಒಂದು
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಪರ್, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್, ಕಾಪರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್.
Basically the coin.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐರಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರ
9th century. 8th to 9th century. Honorable CM visited this place. Siddaramaiah, CM, Chief Minister, Karnataka State.
Yeah.
Yeah. Size.
The place where they were located.
Yes, madam. So many collections.
Project.
Art system. ಈಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಐತಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು and warriors.
ವಾನರ
You tell me.
ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಚಾಲಕ 12th
But
century.
you have the hero stones continuously, no?
ಟು ಕದಂಬ ಟು ಕದಂಬ
Kadamba
ಬಾದಾಮಿ
to-
ಕದಂಬ ಬಾದಾಮಿ ಚಾಲುಕ್ಯ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕೂಟ, ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಚಾಲುಕ್ಯ, ಕಳಚೂರಿ, ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ, ವಿಜಯನಗರ.
You have it
So
as
many
well.
things. Death heroes. Temple.
And the temple on top. That's very nice.
Important heroes. Sorry, meals.
ನಂಬರ್
Full and
ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ
ನಿಮ್ದು buffalo.
Here you see the lingam
Yes.
covered with a
Was
something
it-
that-
Decorated.
not decorate, we have to decorate parts.
I know, but what is it? What is it decorated?
This to Rudrakshi beads.
Rudra- That's very nice.
ಹೋದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅವರು.
ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಲ್ಲ, ಆಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಸೇರಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6 ಮಂತಿಂದ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು 18 to 24 ಮಂತ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. 2 ವರ್ಷ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್. 2 ವರ್ಷ. ಈಸಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
And I love the antiquities, and I think the temples are really, really interesting and very beautiful and very different. So I think it's a wonderful place to be, and I hope you will preserve them so that other parts of India can come and visit them and enjoy this amazing heritage. Thank you.
What is planned here?
What is planned? Oh, we're just visiting. You know, we're just visiting because we've been here many times. It's not the first time, and every time we come, we think it's even more interesting because we understand more. So
Deccan Heritage is doing
the Deccan Heritage Foundation we're doing a guidebook which is going to be published on the 15th of March, and it's both in English and in Canada. And we'll have all these monuments that were not included in our first guidebook, which on Badami, Aiholi and Patadakal. And now we'll have Lakundi, Dambal and Gadag. So people will have something to take along and visit this amazing place.
this
Yes, the open museum is something that the minister wants, and we are trying to understand what exactly he wants, because I think he's trying to do as much as he can to make his constituency aware of their amazing treasure. And I think tomorrow there is the inauguration of a new restoration of Sudi. The DHF, with the help of Mrs. Rajashri, has restored, and the Sudi will also be included in the new guidebook. So
is the cover of the guidebook. We are going to